Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine and I have another exciting glitter swatch video. It was a request. The lovely requested that I showcase some fall colors for glitter. So here we go. They're absolutely beautiful and you're gonna love them. Now here's the best part, taking the tape off. Some of you have told me that you find this very satisfying to look at. Like, I had no idea. Do you guys find it satisfying? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any other requests to see more of my beautiful glitters, leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!